even if I disagree with everything you do or say. Doesn't mean I just pull a server. I have no reason to do that because I'm not a child. I do my job and take my paycheck and take care of my girlfriend and cat. I couldn't care less about your any individual here. I'm a DC tech. I make sure cloud servers are running, and if you pay for a server, that it's running. If it's an issue I can't solve by basic troubleshooting and recovery command, then I escalate. I don't understand why you would take your servers out because of me. I'm doing my job because it's my job. I'm not sabotaging anyone. All actions are monitored and logged. Me even going to a container to work on a server is logged. If I plug in a keyboard or a monitor, it's all logged because it's all a part of their system. If you want, I'll even give you my boss's email if he allows it when I talk to him Monday, and you can report me and tell him anything you want. My boss knows everything about me since he read my resume, has my background, and actually talks to me. So if you want, you can bother him about how I'm whatever you think I am. 'Cause I really don't care if you like me or not. Like I said, no one here matters. It's the internet. I don't care about anyone here. All I care about is my girlfriend, cat, and jobs. I like going home with a paycheck, good medical insurance, and my 401k being added to. So if you want to complain to my boss, I'll ask if it's okay to share him email with you or anyone in here who wishes to do the same.